Okay, so there's the ingredients for this famous pasta. About a pound of dry pasta, 2 pounds of orange cherry tomatoes, 2 medium shallots minced, a lot of pecorino cheese, a lot of fresh basil, quarter cup of rice vinegar, piece of pancetta, about a pound of mild Italian sausage meat, salt, half a teaspoon of crushed chilies, half a teaspoon of white vinegar, 3 cloves of garlic, quarter teaspoon of oregano, and some black pepper. So first of all, guys, we need to fry our pancetta and meat of the sausage to crispiness like that. Then we're gonna remove it, set it on the side, add a little bit of olive oil, fry our garlic, oregano, and the chili flakes a bit. Meanwhile, water is boiling. It's salted pretty well. I'm gonna add all my pasta in, and it looks like the garlic looks very nice. I'm gonna add now all the shallots, and I'm gonna soften it a little bit more. After that, we're gonna add all our tomatoes and start cooking it slowly. A little bit later, we'll add the sugar and all the rice vinegar, and we'll cook tomatoes a little bit longer to reduce it. After that, we're gonna add all the basil in, and we're gonna put it in the blender and transfer it to the smoothness. After that, we're gonna return the sauce back in the pan, add a pasta, most of the sausage, leave a little bit for the top, and we're gonna reduce the pasta in sauce a little bit longer. After that, we're gonna add a lot of pecorino cheese. Don't be shy on that. Mix it all up, and you're ready to serve.